This is gonna be the elevator here at the beautiful historic Kentucky state capital, Frankfort, Kentucky. I'm not sure what buttons these are. I'm guessing armor on the outside. There's an old mail slot there. And there's your elevator door itself. Here it is. Oh, going down? B, or you're going there?
Yeah.
Okay. Going down?
Yeah, we'll wait.
Okay. Nah, this is what I want to do. Don't let them use that one, as that one is busy, but just look at this hallway. But yeah, look at this. Very beautiful old Capitol building. This is up the grand staircase. Wow, look at this. And I'll show you guys the rotunda over here. Just look at that. Wow. And it changes colors too, you can see that. What a beautiful building. Hello. And here's the other elevator. These are Otis elevators modded by Thyssenkrupp. This one's the same as the other one. Hopefully it won't be quite as busy. Here it is. Otis down to B. Thyssenkrupp older traditional fixtures. There's your indicator. Whoa. It power stopped, which is kind of shocking. These don't go that high at all. Going up?
Yeah.
What floor?
30.
Perfect. And we'll get out here. Here's a view out here. And that will be it.